So now we're going to introduce how we use our pipe probe, our soil probe, the magnetic listening disc and the larger disc for listening in tight spots, and with the soil probe and the pipe probe extensions on it. And we're going to show you how we use that kind of out in the field. So we're walking a commercial unit right here, and what we're going to try to do is show you how we use our pipe probe with all its accessories. We're going to show you about how to use the magnetic head for gas lines when you're listening to gas lines and so on. Also the smaller head, so you can get into tight spots with this, things that you can't get the big deck plate in. And we're going to show you how to use the soil probe in both ways. It's either the soil probe while it's long. We're going to show you how to use a pipe probe when we want to use it in a short run and we just want to touch things up. But when we're reaching down to low spots, to spigots on some of these buildings, what we want to do is we want to use it the long way so we're not bending down all the time. So let's walk it and take a look. Alright, so in some cases on a commercial building, we're going to have a lot of traffic. We got a lot of background noise going on out here. And we have these pipes, and the maintenance guy isn't here yet. We should have access in a little while. But, you know, in an easy way, using the pipe probe, or you could use it with the soil probe. It's a little bulky that way. But you're able to actually come in and listen to a line, literally just touching, getting a solid point of contact. And we're going to get it from a couple of different angles. Listen at this regulator right here to see if we have any flow. And from what I hear, we do. And let's move on. When we use it with this, we call it the soil probe. This is for listening in grassy areas and soily areas. But when you're walking a building, so you don't have to bend down and touch everything, right here we have a hose bib. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pop my headphones on, set myself up, and so I don't have to be bending down when I have the smaller probe on it. All I'm doing is just literally touching it, unmuting it, and I'm just going to listen for that flow that I'm listening for. So now we're going to come around, we're going to go touch our next bib, and we're going to keep walking this building. Next we're going to get into our listening plate for tight areas where you can't get the big deck plate on. So let's move on to that. So this is the magnetic disc which hooks up to, again, our soil probe or a pipe probe hookup, and it's a magnetic head. We mostly listen to galvanized lines, anything metal except for copper. Copper is, again, is not ferrous, it's not going to be magnetic. Magnet's not going to hold to it. So what we do is we screw on our magnetic head, and this is like for when we get into some tight spots, and what it actually does, it allows you to get into that spot, lets you actually clip the microphone right to the pipe so that you could actually just set up, unmute, and listen. What we also like to use the magnetic head on is when we deal with fire hydrants. When we have steel fire hydrants, it's real easy. What we like to do is we literally just stick our listening device on. We don't have any handling noise or anything right now. So now we're going to show you our pipe probe. Again, we don't have the extension on it. We use this when we're inside an office building, when we're inside a house. It's not long and bulky. We're not going to scratch walls. We have the larger plate for the end of the soil probe, and this allows us to get into spots that we can't get with the big bulky deck plate. Mind you, it's bulky, but it's for listening to a lot of floor. So we can't get that under the sink and hang it properly. It's a pain in the neck. So we have this metal disc that literally screws onto our pipe probe, and we could listen in spots, even at baseboards, at spots where we're not going to really be able to get that big bulky deck plate in, or we're able to be listening to just the tight spots. So now we're going to show you how we use our deck plate for listening in larger areas. We could listen to a lot of flooring in a short period of time. So this is the soft-sided listening disc. Again, it's rubber so that you can put it down on cabinetry. You're not going to scratch anything up. So that was a quick rundown of the pipe probe and its accessories that we used. We also gave a quick rundown of some of the other components that are in the plumber's kit. For more information, visit www.leaktronics.com to watch some videos and learn more about our equipment.